Hello everyone. Today we plan to go Vettangudi Bird Sanctuary, which is very near Tirupattur, only 10 km from my home and 51 km from Madurai. We just packed our breakfast and started at morning 9 o'clock. But best time to visit will be dawn or twilight time so that you can see many birds. And the best month will be from November to February. Bats come to this place in the beginning of October and fly back on February. It is situated at village Kollukudipatti on the way from Madurai to Melur Tirupattur. Yes, we reached the spot and the climate is awesome. No rain and no bright sun. Near 1 kilometer from the main road, seems like road work is going on. Look, greenish everywhere and many big shade trees. There we had our breakfast under the tree. These are the boards written detail about each bird migrate to these places. Nearly 50 houses in this village and village people is very kind and friendly. This is the place where the natural habitat of winter migratory bats and also safest place for roosting, breeding and feeding. We saw large numbers of birds this year. Also local villagers believe that if the bird visit large in number, then sure there will be good rainfall in the area surrounding the sanctuary. Government has provided binocular to look those birds. One old man gave it to us. It's just free of cost. Many years old banyan tree. The people around the sanctuary keep away from the usual Diwali funfair of bursting crackers, as they do not want to shoo away their winged guest. This is very old tower. Some steps were missing, so climbing is a little difficult for us. The view from the top is awesome. You can also see the nest of the bats and small eggs and also the chicks. It was so beautiful. When we started to eat, troops of monkey came there. Don't know where it came from. can also see sheep, chickens, ducks, everything. And all the natural beauties you can see only in villages. And my kids enjoy a lot. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Meet you with another exciting vlog. Until then, you people take care. Bye bye.